Welcome to our first vlog. Today I'll be discussing why your belt sander may not be tracking properly. There's two things you got to take into consideration. Is there a crown on your pulley, on your drive pulley? The crown is basically a race center of the pulley that keeps your belt on tracked while in operation. If that crown is worn off, the pulley will have to be replaced. And the second thing you want to take into consideration, if the crown's still there but your belt and it's still not tracking, you got to take into consideration, A, is your belt manufactured properly? If it wasn't cut, spliced, and glued right, that would also be a factor. Stand by for more tips. Thank you. Please like this tip, share, and click the notification bell. And please visit our website at www.kalamazooind.com. Thank you.